and add 10 feet. That'll give you 660 feet. There are 8 generators here on the Nevada wing of the power plant. Each generator is capable of producing 130 megawatts of power. That's enough to supply about 65,000 homes with electricity per generator. The blue cap is called the spider housing. If you take your line of sight down to where it appears you're looking through a window and you can see that steel shaft, that is a Pelton water wheel, horizontal in-house generator, so a lot of names. In-house is the important part. That's what supplies the power here at Hoover Dam. So it's a good thing the one on the Arizona side is working because they're doing some maintenance on this. Each crane is rated for 300 ton. To put that in perspective for you, the Statue of Liberty weighs in at a mere 225 ton, so one crane can easily lift her. Well, at the dam, that's not even close to being enough power for us.
Did you guys feel something earlier? Yeah, we felt it too. We were up on this floor here, walking to the power generators. Nevada 1 was going into operation. However, it took about 5 minutes just for that generator to turn on. I don't know why, but then it turned off again. And then they turned on the second generator, and that one only took about 1:70 seconds. Or excuse me, about 1:10 seconds. So this elevator is going to take us up to the 4th floor, and then from there we'll be at 975 feet.